Kinkakuji, Temple of the Golden Pavilion, officially named Rokuoji, Deer Garden Temple, is a Zen Buddhist temple in Kyoto, Japan. It is one of the most popular buildings in Kyoto, attracting many visitors annually. It is designated as a National Special Historic Site, a National Special Landscape, and is one of 17 locations making up the historic monuments of ancient Kyoto which are World Heritage Sites. The Temple of Shokokuji, officially Mannenjin Shokoku Jote-zenji, is the second of the Kyoto Gozen, the 5 leading Rinzai Zen temples in Kyoto during the medieval period. Tucked away into a quiet area in northern Kyoto, the silent remains of its original entrance gate, Sunmon, and Buddha Hall, Butsudan, now shaded with the intermingling branches of pine and cypress trees, remind the visitor of its former glory. Kinkakuji Golden Pavilion is a Zen temple in northern Kyoto whose top 2 floors are completely covered in gold leaf. Formerly known as Rokunji, the temple was the retirement villa of the shogun Ashikaga Yoshimitsu, and according to his will it became a Zen temple of the Rinzai sect after his death in 1408. After Yoshimitsu's death, the villa was turned into a temple according to his will, with Muso Soseki, also known as Muso Kokushi, 1275 to 1351, becoming its first abbot. The name Rokuoji was taken from the first 2 characters of Yoshimitsu's posthumous name. Kinkakuji was the inspiration for the similarly named Ginkakuji, Silver Pavilion, built by Yoshimitsu's grandson, Ashikaga Yoshimasa, on the other side of the city a few decades later. Kinkakuji is an impressive structure built overlooking a large pond, and is the only building left of Yoshimitsu's former retirement complex. It has burned down numerous times throughout its history, including twice during the Onin War, a civil war that destroyed much of Kyoto, and once again more recently in 1950 when it was set on fire by a fanatic monk. The present structure was rebuilt in 1955. Kinkakuji was built to echo the extravagant Kitaima culture that developed in the wealthy aristocratic circles of Kyoto during Yoshimitsu's times. Each floor represents a different style of architecture. The first floor is built in the Shinden style used for palace buildings during the Heian period, and with its natural wood pillars and white plaster walls contrasts yet complements the gilded upper stories of the pavilion. Statues of the Shaka Buddha, historical Buddha, and Yoshimitsu are stored in the first floor. Although it is not possible to enter the pavilion, the statues can be viewed from across the pond if you look closely, as the sliding doors are usually left open. The second floor is built in the Bukke style used in samurai residences, and has its exterior completely covered in gold leaf. Inside is a seated Kannon Bodhisattva surrounded by statues of the 4 heavenly kings. However, the statues are not shown to the public. Finally, the third and uppermost floor is built in the style of a Chinese Zen hall, is gilded inside and out, and is capped with a golden phoenix. After viewing Kinkakuji from across the pond, visitors pass by the head priest's former living quarters, Hojo, which are known for their painted sliding doors, Fusuma, but are not open to the public. The path once again passes by Kinkakuji from behind, then leads through the temple's gardens which have retained their original design from Yoshimitsu's days. The garden complex is an excellent example of Muromachi period garden design. The Muromachi period is considered to be a classical age of Japanese garden design. The correlation between buildings and its settings were greatly emphasized during this period. It was an artistic way to integrate the structure within the landscape. The gardens hold a few other spots of interest, including Unmintaku Pond that is said to never dry up, and statues that people throw coins at for luck. Continuing through the garden takes you to the Sekate Tea House, added to Kinkakuji during the Edo period, before you exit the paid temple area. Outside the exit are souvenir shops, a small tea garden, where you can have matcha tea and sweets, and Fudo Hall.